Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Maruchan. This came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is like a miso with pork, so it's like, I guess, like a miso tonkatsu. Sounds nice. I'll get you something to drink in a minute, Mimi. She is very thirsty today. That's a good sign. Yeah. And she hasn't puked yet, and that's really good. I like the lack of puke we found today. That doesn't go in yet. That doesn't go in. This probably does go in at this point. This is a freeze-dried block. Start that timer right now. This one takes 5 minutes. Yeah, here's what these little blocks look like. And they're full of vegetables and stuff. Yeah, so we'll let that steep for 5, count them 5 minutes. I'm just gonna use this lid. So what is going on today? Yeah, I really hope she gets better and starts eating something more solid. I need to eat less solid. Yeah. So far, nobody else has gotten sick. I'm hoping it stays that way. Oh, just set up the next episode of The Chocolate Break to come out. That's a tough show. It's fun to do, but it's like we got to do it at night after the kids are down, and we were doing it on Friday or generally like Saturday nights. But yeah, I just pushed out the second episode of The Chocolate Break that we did back in May. It was a company from Malaysia that sent over chocolate products. They had like chocolate covered durian, like dark chocolate, and then a light milk chocolate covered durian. The milk chocolate, I like that one better. Oh, it was good. And like fruits and nuts, like bridge mix and other stuff. It was good. Only problem was that it's hot over there, and by the time it got to us, a lot of it had really like melted. One thing that they had, I can't remember what they were called, but they were like Whoppers, you know, like malted milk balls. Except the Whoppers here are like just malted milk and a little bit of chocolate on the outside. The ones they make, the malted milk had a lot of cocoa powder in it, like a lot. Chocolate over in Asia, for the most part, it's not as sweet, and it's more concentrating on cocoa powder to give it more of that actual chocolate flavor. And I like it better, honestly. Just kind of like with nuts, there's like these little distinct differences. But yeah, God, and we're almost done with Squid Game. Oh, you're in the future. You've already seen Dune, the new Dune, and you've already seen a few episodes of what do you call it? Book of Boba Fett. Man, I'm jealous. Well, at least I have something to look forward to. You don't. You really don't. I don't think. What was the... Oh, yeah. So I guess I've been a sucker. I really don't understand. They did a pause on student loans. I've been paying my student loans the whole time. And I guess the pause on student loans is over in January. I never got a thing saying, hey, don't pay your student loans. I looked everywhere. So what happens if you don't pay your student loans? Not good things. So I've always paid my student loans. I don't even know why I don't know. School was great. I did get a good amount out of it. Nothing that I went to school for is part of what I do now. So that's kind of a bummer. I got a big old debt over my head. Maybe by the time this came out, somehow they knocked off a bunch of student loan debt off of everybody. That'd be nice. I thought, I don't know. But yeah, it's expensive. You can. The one thing about student loans, though, if you can't pay them, don't hide. I would go into a story, but I can't because I shouldn't. So, but what happens if you don't contact them and you owe them money? That's when you get into trouble. Not me personally, somebody else, but you've gotta stay in contact when you're in debt. They like that. At least like try to arrange something, you know. That's what I did. They're like, this is due, you know. It's like, but dealing with that kind of stuff is almost like a job on its own sometimes. Call this person, fax this here, do this and that. But if you stay in contact and work it, things can be fine for quite a while before you actually have to pay a dime. But people get panicky and weird and don't want to deal with things. So I know I'm being really vague, but person that I know that does such things is somebody that I do not want to even dignify with naming on this wonderful program. I already feel as if I've soiled the program. Honestly. So let's move on. This smells good. Oh look! We got a person in our Ramen Junkies group who loves corn. Pretty well hydrated. 8:30. Now, I was guessing that this is seaweed, but there's a lot of stuff in here, so we'll see what we got. That is not seaweed. And stir that in as well. It has a little logo on here saying it's like #1, and I have no idea what it's #1 for. I wish I did. But this one has a, apparently it's, somebody says this is the #1. Alright. 5-minute noodle, this better be good. I do like the amount of vegetable in this. This is nice. I mean, check that out. Looks like cabbage, corn. Yeah. However, there is an issue. It's miso, but it's red miso, and red miso I find to be very much not my favorite. Doesn't float my boat. My boat has sunk. boat has been scuttled. Never been a fan of red miso. I like red miso with other things. I mean, this isn't bad, but I mean, the amount of red miso flavor is just too much for me. Ding. How about that? You're out there having a little bit of tablet time before school. No school for the gal. The guy's got some school. Magic spoon, magic spoon, magic spoon. Everybody likes the magic spoon. I'm gonna add some. A little bit of love sludge. This is Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp. If you've never had this, you don't know what you're missing. Hopefully somebody got you some of this for a holiday gift. One of our lovely little sachets of Noodle Tamaki. I'm not going to use this one, it's all jacked up. Let's get you a new slice. We'll use this one. This one's not too bad. I ran it through my super slicer machine and some slices came out great and some of them were like way too thin. So it likes to bend and fold like squid. Where do you want to go? Right there. Ramen. Time for ramen. How about we go like that? All right. Have time. I do if I really crank it out quick, and that's what I'm gonna do. We got a prototype of Generation 3 recipe of Vite Ramen garlic pork tonkatsu, so I'm gonna get on that. Watch the show, enjoy the show, be well, and comment. Bye.